Was that all the donuts?
There's fillings as well.
Okay. That's $1?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you can do this, okay, and it's probably not going to make any difference, so this will work fine, because if it hits this one, it's going to return it right away, so it's not going to continue down here. Okay, so you really don't need to have a bunch of else's in there, but you could, I mean, either way. So that's what they're asking for the function. Just return the money for the donut. That's all we need there, okay? Good. Okay, so now we need to do the coffees, okay? And so what we need to do here is just get rid of the, let's get rid of this part here. And if that's true, how much was a coffee?
Regular was $1.80.
$1.85?
No, 180.
$1.80. So return 180. And of course it gets rid of the 0 anyways. Okay. And cappuccino? How much was that? Okay. And done. With 0, I assume? Okay, were those the only copies?
Yeah.
And you guys like this last one, you should never get here, but who knows? Okay. So now that returns just the coffee amount, okay? So you see that there was actually less code doing it this way than combining all the checks, okay? And of course, the only thing we need to do here is we need to basically have constant decimal tax rate and decimal equals what? 0.03?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we just return X subtotal times dec tax rate. Okay, so any question on that one? Okay. So what's it complaining about here? Total due, total due. Is it not defined here?
There's no test total due in the convention. It's missing the events of the
This is what?
It just says dim total
Oh.
due is decimal.
Okay. So, what's the point of this, the thing? The point of this particular exercise was for you to, even though they're trivial, even though these are trivial functions, the idea was for you to break it down and to call functions, okay? To know how to call functions and get a result back. That was the point, okay? So here's the point here was just to go out there and analyze, just go analyze the coffee information. See which one was chosen, and then just return which one was chosen. Okay? Same thing with the donuts. Okay? And the tax, even though this tax is trivial, okay, normally you wouldn't put it in here, but you created a function that's going to return it. Now, why would you do that? Even though it's trivial, what would happen? Well, it could be that somebody comes in and says, I want to do volume discounts. So if it's over $5, I'll give you less tax, or something like this. Who knows? Okay? But the point is, you separate out that particular calculation for potential problems later on. So, okay. Any questions on this one? Did it work? Who's been following? Is it? Okay, so we do a sugar, and we do a regular. We calculate. Does it come out about right? What was the sugar in the cup? And how much was the sugar? 65, right? How much was the cup regular? $1.80, $2.45. So that came out okay? Okay. 7 cents looks about the right amount for that?
Yeah.
3%? 6, yeah, about 7%. Okay, 7 cents. Okay. Oh, subtract. Oh my gosh. Thank you. And so it's got to be here.
Right up there.
That's what we want to add it. Step. Okay. So any questions?
Send that one to Madhu.
Sure. You offered, so at least you deserve it. So who's going to offer it to do the array? Let's do the array next. Which one is that? Chapter 18, right? Chapter 18. Who did 18? Are you offering?
Yep.
For me to do 18? Did you do well on 18?